Why are quantum network and simulation and emulation important? So design tools for quantum networks are needed to help us make informed design decisions. This can include selecting the appropriate hardware, testing whether a design is feasible, or whether a protocol or application can be implemented on a certain hardware setup. Now, there's three different types of design tools that are used in practice. The first being analytical methods and theoretical frameworks. The second being information theoretic metrics and benchmarks. And the third being software-based tools such as simulation or emulation. Now, we focus on the software-based tools because these are actually limited by the compute hardware and the technologies for information processing at our disposal. The first two design tools, analytical methods and information theoretic metrics, are math-based and depend on the mathematics that we have and the analytics that we have developed. Now, these have their own limitations, but in this talk, we're going to primarily be focused on the software-based tools, which are constrained by compute hardware. Now, software-based tools are interesting because they enable iterative design workflows. The idea is that we can pose a question, we can use the software-based tool to help answer that question by querying it, and then we get some output data or a result from that design tool. This result can provide us with insights, which can lead to creating better or improved questions. In practice, we can run this sort of optimization loop very, very fast on processors, and this can create a way to do big scans over many different parameters of a quantum network simulation, or we can optimize quantum network simulations by iteratively adjusting parameters in such a feedback loop. It's also important to point out that we can run these different sort of queries over a simulation or emulation tool in parallel, especially if the results don't inform the next query. So there's lots of ways that we can use software-based tools to really scale up our design processes and approaches.